Hi, my name is Leslie. I'm the General Sales Manager of Thompson Lexus Willow, and I wanted to present to you our 2024 IS500 project. So the IS500 is a special car for our brand. It has a V8 engine, rear-wheel drive, and an 8-speed transmission. But as a car enthusiast and an IS500 owner, I know the manufacturer left a little bit on the table. Many enthusiasts would agree. So this car highlights some of the car's existing features, but also amplifies it to another level. So the first thing we enhanced on the vehicle was the wheel and tire fitment and the suspension. We changed the wheels to an Apex EC7 wheel, which is a 19x9, which is a little bit wider in the front. And we also went with a gunmetal finish to break up the color because the car is a caviar, and we thought that it would really just bring out the gray trim on the car. The wheels are also a little bit lighter than the factory, which helps with handling, grip, and acceleration. And we also went with a sportier and stickier tire, which is a Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. We also dropped the car on Swift springs, which lowers the car about 1 inch in the front and 0.6 inches in the rear, which helps close that wheel gap and give it a much sleeker and more aggressive look. We also upgraded the front brakes with a 6-piston caliper, which is an upgrade from the 4-piston caliper that the car comes with, and those calipers are from the ISF. We also added a Carbon Addicts carbon fiber accent package, which gives you a carbon accent on the front, and it also gives you carbon fiber mirror caps, which are authentic. We also added a full Nia lip kit, which is a custom kit made specifically for this car. It's paint matched, and it also uses all of the factory holes, so it doesn't require any drilling. And we added a blacked out emblem in the rear just to tie in all of the black and gray color schemes that we went with. And on the inside, we also added Autotechnik paddle shifters, which are solid aluminum. They're substantially larger than factory and have a better tactile feel when you're manually shifting the car. Now, the party piece for this car is the exhaust that we changed. It has a GTHAUS Midpipe, which is an X-Pipe design, and it actually increases the car's horsepower by about 14 horsepower and 20 foot-pounds of torque. We also added a Borla axle back system, which just came out. This is one of the first cars to receive it. It really has a great deep growl, and it gives it a sound that rivals or even exceeds the LC500. And the good news is, even with all these modifications we've added, the car's factory warranty is still in place. And we also sell the vehicle with the factory parts. Here at Thompson Lexus Willow, we understand that we have some Lexus enthusiasts among us. Please feel free to reach out to our sales or service department if you're interested in any performance accessories for your Lexus. We're more than happy to help you.